What's good, YouTube? Back with another video. Appreciate you for tuning in. As you can see from the title, today's video is gonna be about the PCV, the oil cap filter, the breather, and the catch can. Let's get to it. Alright, so this should be the oil cap breather. I got this off eBay, and I got the catch can off eBay. The PCV, I ordered it from BMS, but there's more stuff in this package that I ordered. I'm gonna leave links to everything in the description. That's the breather. And this did come from eBay, so I don't know if this is good or bad packaging or, you know. But it came from eBay, so. So we got 2 hoses, clamps, and the catch can itself. And I ordered it from eBay because the BMS one, it don't look too much different from this. But yeah, I ordered this from eBay and this from eBay because for one, it's cheaper. This is like, I don't even remember how much, probably like $40. And then the Vader Solutions one like $100, so I wasn't gonna do that. This I ordered because it's like $170, $180 on BMS. On eBay it was like probably $50. I don't even remember. I mean, you get what you pay for. It got a whole notch in it, but I ain't tripping. This is the PCV right here. These are some oil cooling upgrades, but this is gonna be in the next video, so stay tuned for that. All right, let's get started. All right, so for everything I'm gonna be doing, you're gonna have to take this cover off, and if you still got the factory cabin air filter, you gotta take that off. So I got a video how to take the factory one off, and my video when I did the dual cone intake, so go back to that video. You can see how to take those off. But 3 Allen keys, they're 8mm, but I only got 2, so I'm gonna take that out. All right, I got that out. It's just these 3. I only had 2. You're gonna have to modify this and cut this back end off for the catch can. I'm gonna do that later. Now you wanna have your battery disconnected or just have your car sitting for a while, because you gotta take this fuel line off right here to get to the PCV. And these are 14. So I'm gonna put these rags over here. Gonna loosen this side up, man. I got that out the way. Now I'm about to take this out. That's where the PCV sits. This one's a 13. Alright, the cap out. So this green O-ring came off of this. So I'm gonna put this back on. Damn, I think I gotta get this O-ring out. Nope, it came with its own. So a little side by side. It's the old one, it's the new one. So yeah, they say you gotta shave these down a little bit so this can fit in here. It's supposed to sit in. So I'm gonna shade these down so this can fit in there. All right, now we're good to go. Yeah, all I did was literally shave them down with a little file, so it fits now. I'm about to push this in first and then screw this one on top. Alright, that's straight right there. Now I'm gonna get on to doing this catch can. Alright, I'm gonna do this with the fuel line off. You don't really got to, but I'm gonna do it like that. So you gotta take this piece off right here. This whole little piece right here. Alright, so I ended up just breaking it on this end since this whole hose is gonna get replaced. I needed to keep this in, so I kept this one good. So it's kind of tricky. You gotta get basically all ends up. I don't know how they made this, but you gotta get this. You gotta get all 4 sides up. So I just used a screwdriver, pried it, kept tension on it, and did it like that. On to the next step. So you gotta get heat. So you gotta get a heat gun, heat this part up right here, and then take it off. There we go. I'm gonna put this back on. I'm gonna put this fuel line on too. I'm gonna put this back in here. The fuel line back in. Now I'm about to move on to that catch can. I'm gonna mount it just like everybody else do, like right over here. So I'm gonna mount it like right there. Then this hole is supposed to go to this one. So I have to move this closer. It's gonna go right there. And then on this end that I took off from that other hose, this far one gonna go to the outside. So from over here, I already got a little bend, so probably use that. From over there to the outside. So yeah, I'm gonna go and cut this real quick. Yeah, so I got that cut off. Now I'm about to burn this to make it look better. All right, now I'm about to try to get this mounted real quick. I didn't think it was gonna be that tight on top of this intake right here, but it is what it is. It ain't gonna hurt nothing, but it's real tight. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like that. I guess it's kind of helping me. I'm gonna leave them a little bit loose until I get these fitted. So that's what I'm working with. It's not coming apart. I'm gonna put this clamp on once I get it in. But yeah, I guess you get what you pay for. I really just kept the factory, or a piece of the factory hose still on, so because it had like a little bit of a taper end. So that was enough for this hose to fit over it. Now I'm gonna just put this clamp on. I mean, it worked for me. It's a little janky, but still gonna work like a catch can supposed to, so I'm satisfied. I'm gonna put this back in. Yeah, I ain't tripping. But I'm gonna put this back in so I can do the other hose. Hopefully the other side ain't like that. All right, I got this hose on, and I tighten these clamps down too, so that's probably solid where it's at. Now I'm gonna just throw this one on. Probably been a lot smarter to put the back one in first, but overall this one was harder to do just cause that taper end right there. All right, so got all 4 clamps tightened down. Got this, got the catch can closed tight. Now I'm about to just tighten these down. All right, everything's tightened down. I'm satisfied with that. PCV installed, fuel line tightened down, all these clamps tightened down. This bracket, it's not moving. Now I'm about to Just swap this out. This is simple to do. Now to install this. So I assume this is supposed to go around. Yeah, it's already one right there. It's probably be a replacement. Anyway, I think it's supposed to come apart. Okay, cool. uprproducts.com. So yeah, it's a breather, and these are necessary for turbocharged or really boosted engines in general. Cause you know what I'm saying, when you boost it, I guess you get a lot of pressure in the crankcase. So this breather helps with that pressure, helps relieve the pressure. So that's how I understand it. Okay, that would have been bad. But I'm about to go and put this in. Seemed too easy, just put them little 2 notches in there. Turn it. That ain't work. Okay, it locks in place. It's just when I put this on, it makes it a little hard, but I think it's needed because some play, you know what I'm saying? So this has got to be needed. Yeah, this one is a little thicker. Yeah, so maybe it's one or the other. Let me see how it looks when it's in. It's not really no play, so I'm gonna go with that. One or the other. But I'm gonna make this face me. Even though you're not gonna be able to see it. Yeah, there's no play at all with this one on, so keep this one off. Filter on, tighten it down. And I made this cut playing around one day. I seen it on somebody else's on Instagram, exposing the precision work coils. So I did the same thing. Put this back in there. That's done. I'm gonna put these Allens back in, and that's pretty much it for the video. So man, if it helped you, you know what I'm saying, any kind of way, you mess with the video, leave a thumbs up, you know what I'm saying. The videos ain't gonna stop coming, so subscribe to me if you're new, you know what I'm saying. And that's it.